I can't tell the doctor, but I'm tell the doctor that she do her job.
5 months, bro. I'm not even saying this if we could do that, B, but 5 months, come on.
Me normally check up.
5 months, that's 1 year, bro, for me. Look on that. 5 months.
It's not 1 year. She said it take 5 months for heal. So me ask her no less than 5 months. She said no, 5 or more months. I'm like, wow, did really tear that bad? We not go hard, like, you know.
5 fucking months.
5 months. When I came to leave. 5 months. Wow.
No, that's so sick. I don't understand. Alright. Not even finger,
nothing can go in there. Nothing.
I just did a think about to go over go have some sick. I don't tell you say yo, I'm a youth, me I pray right now. You see me? That's how we can do what I do and then make sure everything good with our body. Then we just fuck and then have me youth, bro. I don't understand how you tell me what she come tell me now.
Just have my head down.
First of all, I'm not even doctor pussy. So doctor can't tell me how much time or how much time for fuck you. You see me?
People should do her job. If she says something wrong, you know.
I mean, me understand that. Me can't understand that.
It's stressing. It's like stressing for both of you because you know you can't do without it. And
I can, but not for so long, bro. Like every minute I look on your mother wants to do it, bro, and it just go to 5 months start that, bro. Because it's not even want to go up on camera.
Really?
I don't understand, bro. Mama, she explained to me like why this. We can go back in there and ask her like why so. More get to understand myself. I'm sorry me never in there when you in there, bro. I'm sorry me never come in there like in there the last time. You remember last time we did the checkup and made it in
but what you
room?
want to find out? If she see something wrong, she gotta tell me say something wrong. And most of the reason why she tell me
I say more she explained to me, bro. We never see this happen in life. We never hear nobody say that they can only if they just have baby or so, bro.
Exactly.
And you not have no baby.
Exactly.